Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make honey glazed chicken, and the ingredients that I'll be using to marinate the chicken are some salt, black pepper and garlic powder. So let's start. Then I will mix together until each and every part of the chicken is marinated. I will set it aside for 20 minutes and then I will start making my chicken. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and as usual, as I say, God will bless you. Okay, so every part is marinated right now. So let's go to the second process. So I'll add my vegetable oil. Just spread some little bit of it. Take my chicken. I've used pulled chicken, but you can use chicken thighs, chicken wings. So you keep turning the chicken. I am using 2 pans because the whole chicken couldn't fit on the same pan, one pan. So don't worry if you see this part here, something going on. Just a full chicken, and it is very big. So I will let you for it to cook a little bit again on one side, and then you turn again. Then we'll add the other ingredients. At this point, I'll add some garlic. I'll spread it on the chicken. I'll keep checking also these other ones to see how they are doing. But doing very, very well. Let me look for some space for this one, this other wing. I take my honey, just sprinkle it on the meat, the chicken, like that. You can also add another. I'll add some soy sauce, dark soy sauce. A little bit of vinegar. Then I'll add some water. So now I will let this chicken boil for 10 minutes. We will be ready to serve. Like that.